Hello, guys. You're welcome back to FX, the home of trading strategies. As per our VIP strategy, we dropped a free signal today on the public channel. Yeah, but the rest of the entries will be on the VIP. Um, as you can see, we're in deep profits, and it's moving. It's moving quite well, and it's well on its way to the first take profit. I just wanted to keep you all updated as to the gold VIP strategy and how it's giving us good results. I know it's been a while. I posted an update. I was working on some things, and y'all will see it in coming times. And as y'all can see, when I got the entry, I uh, I came here on the public channel and I dropped the entry right here. As y'all can see, this was the entry. This was the entry. Uh, yeah, right there. So I'm advising them to take their profits already, just in case they can hold. Yeah, this was, I said, when last. So just wanted to keep you all updated. That's all, and we'll see how far this market can go today. The market have been quite crazy this January, and I'd advise that you trade carefully. Now, if I see further confirmations, I will take more positions. But in the meantime, let's see how we will ride this trade to our first take profit. I'll see you all on my next video, guys. Peace. Also, using our confluences and our confirmation on our strategy, I have this very tiny account that I'm trying to grow. I've been holding this trade for days as per our strategy. I saw the confirmation on the gold VIP strategy, and I went ahead and I entered some positions. And as you can see, I entered with a smallest lot size. This is a very tiny account. You can see the balance was 3.75, and it's just the market had been ranging. As you can see, there was no definite direction, but I'm almost certain that it's going to push up. I'm almost certain that it's going to push up, although I've broken even. So even if it reverses against me, I lose nothing. Now, the market, I expected it to push as fast as it did here, but it didn't move that way. Of course, the market does what it wants. But then, the way I see it, once this market breaks out of this zone, it's going to push up all the way to my take profit, all the way to my take profits, and it's already looking like it's going that way. So, if you want to be a part of the VIP, you can join the Telegram channel down below in the description of this video. Chat me up and we'll talk. I can give you the strategy that we used, and I can also add you up to our Signal VIP channel where our VIPs get daily daily entries as per our strategy, which is of course with high accuracy. I guess I'll see you all on the inside.